Hey guys, so in this video I am going to talk about one of the important project structure that is you need in the API testing framework. So as a QA engineer or SDET, you must know about API testing and backend testing, database testing. So you have to also know API automation. So in order to know about the API automation and how you can write the framework from the scratch, you need to have the knowledge of Java basic manual testing skills. You need to have all those skills and fundamentals developed. Then only you can start API testing. So I have created a basic structure for the API testing framework over here. You can take a screenshot or you can take a note of it. Whatever is your convenience, you can do that. So basically, first of all, let's talk about the structure. So first of all, here there will be endpoints class. Okay, so in the folder structure, first of all, we need to understand what is a framework. That is, framework should be reusable, framework should be maintainable, framework should be readable. Okay, so these are the 3 points should is must for a framework. And the prerequisites are API documentation. So you need to have the API documentation. It is the prerequisite. It is the prerequisite, and there is endpoints. So the prerequisite API documentation will be given by the developer. It will be given by the developer. Don't need to worry about all those things. And the thing is, first point is development, second is execution, and the third one is CI. That is continuous. We will integrate it with pipeline with the DevOps. Okay. So this thing is development, execution, and CI. These are the 3 points we should remember. And I hope you understand the basic concepts of what is framework, why we need the framework. And the next thing is, now we are going to talk about the structure. So basically, first of all, the structure will have endpoints class, then test cases classes, test in the XML reports, and so I have, this is a flow diagram that you can see. First of all, you need Pojo class, then utilities, then test data, then endpoints, then test cases, then test in the XML reports, build.gradle if you are using Gradle, and Maven if you are using Maven project. So I hope this is clear. And now we will talk about what is Pojo class and what is utilities and test data. So Pojo class is basically payload. It's the kind of payload things that you are gonna store. Utilities are kind of reusable functions you are gonna write over here. Test data is any kind of test data, positive or negative test data that you can write over here. And then there is endpoints. Endpoints are like requests. And then there is test cases, test in XML, build graded, and reports. These are things that you need to have on your project. So I hope the basic, you have to follow this flow diagram. So always make a note of this. So this flow diagram will be as it is. So the data from the payload will go to the test cases, utilities will be consumed by the test cases, test data will be consumed by the test cases, and the endpoints will be consumed by the test cases, and the testng.xml will be, the test cases will be consumed by the testng.xml. This is the core from where the project will run, right? And it is controlled by the build.gradle. So the flow diagram will be as it is. Make a note of it. Build.gradle will control the whole project, dependencies and all you have to maintain over here. And at last it will all go into reports. Reports will consume all of those execution stuff and give you a, this is the thing. So I hope this video will be very much helpful to understand the framework, how the framework design we do in the API testing framework. Okay, not UI, only API. So if you found this helpful, make subscribe, like and share this video and support. Many people doesn't subscribe, just see and go. This is your benefit only. So if you like this video, subscribe, like and share this video. In the next video we are going to design and implement the framework from the scratch. I will show you how everything is done. So okay, in this video we talked about the framework, the basic structure that we need. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my video. Bye.